Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into some awesome AI tools and tips that can supercharge your productivity. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about artificial intelligence, this video is for you. Let's get started. Tip 1. Video editing. Our first AI tool tip is all about video editing. With the rise of AI-powered video editing tools, you can now save hours of time by automating repetitive tasks. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve use AI algorithms to analyze your footage, suggest edits, and even apply visual effects. Give it a try and see how it enhances your editing workflow. Tip 2. Transcription. Are you tired of manually transcribing your videos? Well, our second tip is to leverage transcription tools. Services like Otter.ai and Trint use advanced speech recognition algorithms to automatically transcribe your audio and video files. This not only saves you time but also makes your content more accessible to a wider audience. Tip 3. Thumbnail generator. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers to your videos. Our third tip is to use thumbnail generators. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark utilize AI algorithms to suggest eye-catching designs based on your video content. Simply input your video or image, and let the AI work its magic in creating stunning thumbnails. Tip 4. VoiceOver. Adding voiceovers to your videos can greatly enhance the viewer experience. But what if you don't have access to professional voice talent? That's where our voiceover tools come in. Services like Amazon Polly and Google Text-to-Speech use AI-generated voices to bring your scripts to life. Experiment with different voices and find the one that suits your content. Tip 5. Analytics. Last but not least, let's talk about analytics. Understanding your audience and their preferences is key to growing your channel. AI-powered analytics tools, such as TubeBuddy and Vidic, provide valuable insights into your video performance, keyword research, and competitor analysis. By leveraging AI, you can optimize your content strategy and maximize your reach. We hope you found these suggestions helpful and that they inspire you to explore the possibilities of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.